Lost the whole world, dog.
Also for me, right? The number of people I had to dodge.
Yeah.
One,
It's not conversation. Oh, makes it a nice drive. Talking to somebody a lot. That's not a lot. Did you have to travel out for business?
well, not nearly as much as I used to because we go out there and teams and Zoom. So it's quite a bit less. Which I think I used to be quite the road warrior for years.
I worked for Black & Decker in my early career. I was on the road maybe half the month.
Yeah.
Same circuit.
Yeah.
Just rinse and repeat.
That's all good. I used to travel about 50% per year. Now it's probably half of that.
Nice job.
Now it's good. Yeah, I have a entire dealer store. Unless you're wise enough. No, I didn't wise enough. I guess
What industry are you in?
I'm in the trucking industry. Yeah, so I work for a company called National Lease out of Chicago.
So what do you think about all this EV content? You're going to pull off announcements that you're going to have all these environmental projects like this. You're going to be able to pull that off. I think it's the batteries will get a full charge. Maybe the charging and all that.
I think there's definitely some challenges. It doesn't work in all applications. In short haul, like if you're running routes in the city, it actually works.
Yeah.
Really long haul, it doesn't because the issue that always got the house together is that the batteries, you have to have so many batteries.
It's heavy.
That is heavy and it takes away, it takes away from how much your cargo.
Right.
So if you have to reduce that, the prices go way up. So it throws the economics out of culture. But for short haul, multiple stops, it can work. In fact, when I was in Orlando, slightly different, but I took a taxi from New York to Bagel.
Okay.
And I was
I
watching.
haven't done one of those yet.
I'm pretty fast. Like the taxi driver, I had talked to the taxi driver. He said,